LG TV says Wi-Fi is turned off. How to fix? So if your LG TV is telling you that your Wi-Fi is turned off, first of all you want to make sure that the issue is not persisting from the Wi-Fi side. You can try to restart your router and customize other bit of settings to see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, then what you can basically try to do is from the top right you can go to the settings page to check for the Wi-Fi settings manually. From here you can simply scroll down to the network option over here and it says not connected. So obviously you can just go to the network section and here you can go to Wi-Fi connection. Now if it is turned off, then obviously you want to turn it on over here. When it is turned on, the toggle will get highlighted in green, otherwise it is going to remain grayed out. Now from the bottom, obviously you'll find a list of Wi-Fi connection. Just make sure to select a Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is working just fine to see if that hopefully helps you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.